Okay, so these are new types of graphs. This is a velocity mass graph, and it tells you the momentum by finding the area. 3 mass, 3 velocity. This thing has a momentum of 9. This is called a force time graph, and it tells you the impulse. An impulse is a smack, a force on an object. So you can see this car is going with positive 9 kilograms meters per second. It gets hit by a force that has a max force of -4, and that force lasted for 3 seconds. And we call that an impulse, a force that happens throughout an interval of time is called an impulse. And you find it by finding the area of this guy. So to find the area of a triangle, it's 1/2 times the base times the height. 3 times -4 is -12 times 1/2 is -6. Okay, so the thing about impulse is that an impulse changes an object's momentum. So if we started with 9, the impulse decreased its momentum by 6. That means that after, we have a momentum of 3. So we need to create a chart or a graph that has an area of 3 or a momentum. The momentum's got to be 3 kilograms meters per second. Well, remember that this object, it was 3 kilograms in mass. And for these problems, we're going to assume that the mass does not change. So it should still have 3 kilograms of mass. That means that I'm going to give it a velocity of 1 so that the area is 1, 2, 3 kilograms meters per second. And so that's how you do these. Momentum before, the impulse changes the object's momentum, and then you're left over with some remaining momentum.